if you are someone who's between 20 to 35, 40, you must be fit right now. If not fit, like active enough, strong enough to do all the basic activities of life. Pretty sure about that. Or you maybe doing some basic activities also. But have you thought about the quality of your life after you're 50, 60, 70, like the last marginal decades of your life? How would you want to be? Would you want to be dependent on someone, or would you want to be independent? Would you wish to come on treks like this when you're 50 or 60? Or would you just be at home and on the bed or on wheelchair, or just be have a sedentary lifestyle where your knees are gone, or you have backache, or you have high cholesterol, where you're not able to enjoy normal life? What would you want to be? And I'll assume everyone would want to be independent, like happy, healthy. I would like quote unquote normal, how you used to be or how you are right now. In fact, better. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible, and I'm pretty sure you must have seen so many people around you who are pretty fit, and despite their age, they had to fight the numerical age and the biological age is very different for them. So how can you be fit? How can you be active? How can you have a normal, pleasant life after you are 50 or 60? Is something that I'll be sharing right now. See, everyone. If I had to give you an example, or if I had to run a let's run a thought experiment right now. Would you wish to have money in your bank account when you are 50, 60, 70? Right? Of course, yes. So if you want to have money when you are above 50, that means you should have done something before 50 or before 40 or before 30 to have money on that. The sooner you do it, the more money or the more better experience you have. The same thing happens with the body also. See, there is the normal biology of our body is that every year your muscle decreases by 1%, right? And for women it's actually in fact more because of the periods, etc. So by default you lose a lot of muscle, which is essentially what gives you power, and you lose your bone strength, right? Osteoporosis it's called as osteoporosis. So if you want to preserve that muscle mass, if you want to preserve that bone strength, joint strength, or your organ strength, you have to consistently do something that keeps it that revives it. And physical activity, eating right foods is something that will actually help you. So if you want to have a better quality life when you're 60, you don't have a choice unless you don't want to be independent at that moment. So if you want to be happy and healthy at that moment, spend some time into physical activity right now. So the sooner you do it, the better it is. After 30, it's little you start the decline of your youth. And it's actually very simple also. You just have to spend 20-30 minutes into any activity that you like, be it gym, swimming, badminton, hiking, and try to avoid all the unhealthy foods inside your body. So you may feel normal at this moment, it's nice, it gives you dopamine rush when you eat something like Lay's or any cold drink or any dessert that you eat. It gives you dopamine rush. I understand that, it's very tasty, I believe that. But if you have it consistently, it affects your brain, it increases inflammation, and then it's tasty at the same time, and it's a reverse loop that messes up with your metabolism. And if you don't do exercise, you become weak, and you get into that fall. So yeah, it's actually not complicated. If I be honest, there is no fancy tip I can give you or anyone can give you. It's pretty simple. Just do physical activity every day. Like, keep dedicated 20 minutes to it, not more than 20 minutes. That's enough. Of course, you can do more the merrier, but 20 minutes is enough. Just avoid sugar, just avoid oil. Sometimes it's fine. If it's your friend's birthday, please go for it. Have 2 pieces of cake. Have the entire cake, doesn't matter. Monthly, few times, if you want to have something, it's okay. Occasional is fine. But having it every day or having it 3-4 times a week is something that is not good, I would say. And same goes with exercise also. It's okay, someday you miss it. That's fine. But not every day. If you cannot not do exercise. It will be very, I would say, unwise. You are doing injustice to yourself. Not only yourself, to your entire family also. Because I would say, I have no right to put my family into tension. For example, if I am 40, 50, whatever age I am, I'll have my family. If I have cholesterol, if I have knee issue, they will be the people who will suffer more than me. They'll have to take care of me, right? So I don't have the right to put my loved ones into tough times. And of course, you as a person who is living that time is very painful. So yeah, just take care of your health. It is going to give you a very beautiful experience of life, and especially tracks like this. It's actually not everyone gets to experience such places. Like, to come here I had to trek a lot of time. Like, you really need physical strength to come here. And the moment you're like 40, 50, when you retire yourself, you will have so much money, you'll have so much time, but you won't have energy to come here. What is the point of that money? Majority of the people are in that loophole where they have everything, they don't have strength. Right now you have strength, but you don't have money, you don't have time. Right now you're doing all the work. So if you want, or even right now, a lot of people around this 20 to 35 age bracket, a lot of people are not still fit. And so to have better experience of life, invest in your well-being and you'll be happy. I think that's what everyone wants, right? So yeah, if you want to be happy, if you want to be healthy, if you want to live, if you want to live, if you want to create pleasant moments of your life, be happy, be healthy. Take care and love you.